And while Hurricane Beryl brought some rain to central Texas, it isn't enough to help our ongoing water crisis. KXAN's Eric Henriksen explores where a hurricane would need to hit to restore our lakes.
Secret islands, hidden ruins, and once submerged trees poke up out of Lake Travis, revealed as water levels continue to drop.
Well, Lake Travis right now is in one of its record low periods. The lowest that it's ever been was in the drought of the 1950s.
John Hoffman with LCRA says that for Lake Travis to refill, water needs to fall in the right spot, much like it did earlier this year, refilling Lake Buchanan.
Anything that happens in the Llano or the Pedernales will flow directly into eventually Lake Travis.
These two watersheds feed Lake Travis. If water doesn't fall here, the lake won't refill, which is where a tropical system like Beryl could come in.
Some kind of tropical system that comes inland, stalls, and drops a lot of rainfall. That's about our only hope for a really wet summertime around here.
According to forecaster Jim Spencer, this is exactly what happened the last time Lake Travis was this low in the 1950s.
1952, we had a decaying tropical system that parked, dumped 26 inches of rain. Lake Travis filled overnight, literally. It rose 50 feet in 18 hours.
Unfortunately, most of the rain Beryl is dropping won't be captured in a reservoir, but this won't always be the case. The Arbuckle Reservoir is scheduled to open this October. Located southwest of Houston, the reservoir can add up to 90,000 acre-feet of water, which can then be used by rice farmers near the coast. Until then, we have to do something a little unusual. Hope for a hurricane to hit central Texas and refill our lakes. At Lake Travis, Eric Henriksen, KXAN News.
And the Arbuckle Reservoir was originally scheduled to open in 2018, but according to LCRA records, the opening had to be delayed after they discovered that the water was leaking through the soil beneath and into nearby streams. By the way, we've gathered some of the most compelling images from before, during, and after the storm. You can look for these photo galleries right now over at KXAN.com.